Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So we'll start first by reviewing today's Nifty chart, and then we'll discuss few of the breakout stocks that we discussed last week on Friday, right? So the first thing here is, so today Nifty opened at these levels. It broke the yesterday's low. So this was the yesterday's low, and as we discussed last week as well, that 18400 will act as a support, right? So yesterday it respected the level. Today it opened uh, just below these levels. Then if you see on the first three candles of 5 minutes, it actually attracted all the shorters to short the market. First two candles are the red candles. Obviously a lot of people shorted on these levels, knowing that it has broken down the level of yesterday's low, and that was the trap for all the shorters. And all of a sudden, after three candles, it just gave a good pullback from here, and after that I think it was a pretty boring day. You can see it just closed on the same level, but the point was it broke down yesterday's level, and it actually attracted a lot of shorters to short here, but then recovered quite quickly. But few things to observe here. So on the 5 minute candle chart, there are not that many details. Only one thing is here, you can see this was the yesterday's level, which is respected uh, three or four times, right? So this was the first attempt here, then second attempt, third, and fourth. So most probably what I think is, I mean, I'm bullish on the market. So that's where this point of view is coming from. I feel that market is again will start touching 16, 600, 700 and 800. But not to hurry. Let's spend some time here understanding how this pans out, and after that we can take the position. But currently I'm just a spectator here because I'll show you few of the reasons why I'm not taking any short or long position. So this is on the 15-minute chart. We opened down, we recovered and played out this area, right? I'll show you one interesting thing here. uh, if you go on the hourly chart, see we are in a channel, and that is in a downtrend, right? So I'll show you, these are the levels of these are the upper levels, right? Just to not confuse, I'll mark this as maybe blue, and these are the down levels. I'll just have the symmetrical channel so that it is better to understand. So here, this was the candle, today's candle, right? Where and this was the yesterday's candle, where it went down, but then again recovered and closed within this channel. Similarly, everyone was expecting that it will go down maybe today, and that's where the shorting uh, got high. And once that, so this is the wig where all the shorters got locked in, and then there was a sudden rally, right? And then the boring market. So this is the down channel, and as per my levels, I mean, as I told you in the last video as well, unless and until it breaks or closes below 18400, there is, don't go short. That's what I would say, because this is kind of a bullishness. I'll show you with one more example. Just a second. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, you can see here. I'll just remove these things. So see how good close is this, right? Because last time this was acting as a resistance, and it has played out that this is now the support, new support, right? Or even these levels, I would say. It is better to go with the rectangle here. So these are the levels. So unless and until we break these levels, and I've told you, right, so real weakness will be below these levels. So it is good to see how market behaves, and whether it breaks these levels, then only decide whether to go short or not. But as of now, I'm pretty sure that markets are planning to go high, and eh, the market is taking some break and then maybe a bounce back. And the same thing is happening on the weekly time frame as well. Here you can see the RSI is strong, it is above 60. So maybe 1 or 2 week of consolidation here, and then we'll start the upward journey again. That's what my view is, right? So this is on the higher time frame. You can see this. Just one close, then closing down, and again one more green candle. So what can plan out is we can maybe close this week uh, as a uh, as a weak candle here. That means the upper wick is high or long. In that case, maybe there is a chance that we may go down, but otherwise I don't see any reason. So that's about Nifty. Let me see on the monthly time frame as well. So yeah, here as well, if you see RSI is above 60, which indicates that markets are bullish. Yeah, that's on Nifty. And just a review of all the breakout stocks. KNR, good day today. As we discussed, the key level is 270. It is almost nearing that. It is interesting to see how it goes tomorrow. And if it opens somewhere around here, we'll just wait for the retracement till these levels. And again, we'll enter in this because today we did not get the entry here. Finolex, good time to enter maybe, because you can see this is a clear breakout retesting the levels. I'm expecting that it will go above, I mean it will go up from these levels. SWANENERGY, it was a good day. So last week we were discussing that this is a clear resistance line, right? And last week it took the resistance from these levels and was going down, but today it gave a good up move and it has gone above the trend line. So if it sustains above this for this week, the targets are high. Maybe we can see the all-time high as well if it closes, if the current week candle closes above this resistance line. Then HDFCAMC, good stock to accumulate, because here you can see it has given the breakout and just bit of a bearishness, but otherwise there is no reason to go short on this unless it breaks maybe 2100. GLENMARK had a bad day, as we discussed last week that these two are acting as a resistance, and we will only take the entry above 450 as we discussed, right? So this is the resistance level, and even on the RSI it was taking the resistance and it has clearly gone down from that. Maybe we'll keep tracking this, and once it comes back to these levels 440 or 450, we'll take a position for these levels. So that's about it. Keep watching, keep sharing. Yeah, thank you.